How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So let's get started. First, as you have to check for the app and region compatibility. Some songs may not be available due to copyright or regional restriction. Make sure Instagram music is supported in your country. Second, you can update the application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply open that. After that, search for Instagram. Now from here, if you find any update option, simply tap and update the latest version of Instagram. After that, you can try to clear cache of Instagram app. For that, open settings. From settings, for iPhone, tap on general. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Instagram. Now from here, tap on upload. Alright, tap on upload app. After you uploaded the Instagram, simply tap on reinstall app. After you clear the cache of Instagram, your problem should be fixed. At last, you can just try to log out and log back in. Simply you'll have to log out your current account from the Instagram and log back to your account. After that, your problem should be fixed and you are finding the music you want. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.